Country's about to open back up. Maybe time to get off the couch and get some cardio to make sure that we still fit in those clothes. TABATA, Volume 10, Beginner's Cardio. Spend some time on yourself. Hey, this is Jeff D with Supreme Elite Lazy Fitness. Hopefully you enjoyed that workout. If you did, don't be afraid to give me your Fonzie below, as well as subscribe for future content. This beginner's Tabata workout might be a little bit tough. However, it'll definitely put your heart range in the fat burning zone and help you to lose extra weight as we come off quarantine. I wish all for you to stay blessed, stay healthy, and as always, don't forget to spend some time on yourself.